unboxing my new Cuisinart pour over. We are going to compare it to my Ninja, and we are going to see which coffee maker tastes better. And now first we're going to do the unboxing. This is silver. It is a very nice packaging. It's out. And it comes in. It comes with a manual. This is the main piece. As you guys can see, the detailing of this coffee maker is beautiful. Again, this is just a little packaging. And then also with the coffee pod, it comes with some filters. That's really good to have. And it comes with also a spoon to measure how much coffee you guys want to pour. And now I'm going to do a comparison with Ninja. Now we're going to see which one moves faster, and then we're going to do a taste test and which coffee maker tastes better. And then we're going to start with this one. As you see, the Cuisinart has won this race. This one is faster than the Ninja. This one just got done, and now we're going to do a taste test on both coffee makers. Now we're tasting the Ninja coffee first. The Ninja took a while for it to brew, but this has a little bit of bitter taste to the coffee. And now we're trying the Cuisinart. I like the Cuisinart. It moves faster. It tastes better. As in this one, I don't really like the coffee from here, but I do like the coffee on the Cuisinart. Both links for both coffee makers down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.